This how-to video is about how to access log files inside the VersaCall system. So anytime there's any errors going on, we write a log. And so there may come an occasion where either the technician on the phone is asking you to go to this log file to tell him some information from it, or if we're asking you to send them to the customer service our technical service so that we can take a look and see if we can figure out what's going on in the system if you're having an issue. So this is how you access them. So you're going to go to this VT3000 core software, and then from here where you're basically trying to go is under diagnostics, the logs. So you can select that here, or you can use the icons diagnostics and logs. And essentially you'll see a page looks like this. If you click your down arrow, what you're going to see is this is each one of the services kind of has its own designator. So AMS, that's for the monitoring software. And then you'll have there's connectivity, right? So that's connectivity software. VP4 is your virtual panels software. VRS2, that's all your reporting software. And then VT3000 actually has two different types. There's VT3000 service and the web interface. There's also could be some installer logs. That's just from when the software was actually installed on your system. But most likely we'll be looking for these service logs. We're asking you generally like this warning log or system log or an error log. It's kind of generally what we're looking at. And as you look at AMS, it has an error log and a warning log. So basically those are the ones that guys will generally ask you for. And so essentially, let's just say I'm looking for this VT3000 error log, right? So I'm just going to click on it, and now my page is going to generate some data. Some of this is a little too much for the screen, but essentially it's giving me some errors here inside. We can let's pick one here for AMS error log, see if it kind of gives us, yes, there's a little bit better details. So anyway, it's telling us some errors that are coming up in the system. So what the guys may ask you for is to access the log files, and then they'll tell you different things that they want to do from there. That'll conclude this video on how to access these logs. And there's other videos that show how to like actually print them out, how to delete them, how to send them to VersaCall. So if you're needing to do that, make sure you take a look at those videos. Thank you very much. I look forward to talking to you again.